Hello, welcome to your first exam. This is a helpful tips video to give you some feedback on how you should approach this exam. In order to complete exam 1, you need to first complete the module on systems thinking. View the PowerPoints, the narrated PowerPoints, as well as the supplemental materials. Once you're familiar with systems thinking and the concepts that are part of it, as well as the terminology, like stocks and flows and feedback loops, you should start on your exam. In order to complete the exam, please first read the article available on your As You Learn site and listen to the 4-minute NPR news piece. The link is included on your As You Learn site. This article is about a U.S. Agriculture Department suspension on avocado imports from Mexico, which happened early 2022. Once you've read the article and listened to the NPR news and have your toolkit in terms of systems thinking, terminology, and concepts, you should answer these 4 questions. First question, imagine you're a restaurant owner using the systems thinking terminology in terms of stocks and flows. Think about how the avocado ban could create a challenging ripple effect for you. In the second question, you're also to think about what feedback loops you should be aware of in planning your menu offerings for the future. In the third question, think about the U.S. avocado market as a whole in terms of restaurants, grocery stores, and anyone else, for example, households. What are the feedback loops that influence the avocado supply to the U.S. market? Right? And the NPR podcast will really help you with this question. And the last question is, if you were asked to conduct a systems analysis, identifying driving forces and the system's reaction to those forces, what would have been some of the potential long-term effects of or unintended consequences of the ban in terms of the global avocado market supply? Right? So in reality, the ban was lifted a few weeks after it was put in place. But here, in order to practice systems thinking, we would think hypothetically, if the ban has lasted a long time, what could have been the long-term consequences? Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about this first exam.